This is a step-by-step guide on cleaning a kettle and removing limescale on the inside. Calcium builds up on the internal heating element, resulting in a noisy kettle which is slow to boil. Descaling regularly helps increase the life of the appliance. All you'll need for this is a knife, 2 lemons and enough water to fill your kettle about 3/4 of the way. Step 1. Prep your lemons. Cut them into quarters or rounds. Don't forget to remove the seeds and the stickers so you're not flushing them out of the kettle at the end. Next, squeeze the juice of those lemons into the kettle. Put the pieces in and fill the kettle to the 3/4 mark with water. The citric acid in the lemons is going to help break down the mineral deposits inside the kettle for us. Now lock the lid and flick the switch. Let it come to a full boil. If you have heavy buildup, wait for at least 10 to 30 minutes to let the acid work its magic. Rinse it once or twice with fresh water to remove any pulp and your kettle will be back to brand new. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.